Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. Today we are here test driving stock number D20848. Very clean, 2012 TCM, 3,000 pound capacity cushion tire forklift. Shane's going to give us a little quick run around. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast, does approximately 189 inches of max lift height. Does have side shift carriage. Has excellent traction drive cushion style tires with smooth steer tires. Has a smooth running Nissan K21 LP gas engine, automatic transmission, recent repairs, plus a brand new paint job, new PM service, tune-up kit as well. Ready to go to work. Again, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. You can check out this unit or any other forklifts at abetterforklift.com. Thank you very much.